This is how to use carding application to sell gift card. Like this video, share it, and also subscribe. If you have any question, write it in the comment section, guys. So this is it. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download this application called Carding. After you download it, open it, and it's going to look like this. You can see down here. You can see not yet register. Click on sign up. Do you understand right now? This is what you should do. You can see email and phone number on the other side, so you can decide which one you want to register with. If it is phone number, click on it. If it is Gmail, click on it. Now let's say you want to use Gmail. For example, you select your country first, Nigeria. Now put your Gmail here. Make sure it is functional Gmail because you are going to receive code with it. Now after you put your code here, your Gmail here, you can see verification code. Leave it first and jump to where it says password. Do you understand right now? Now make sure your password is start with capital letter. For example, let's say Godson. Make sure it is start with capital letter, hard number at the back, and any symbol like this, any symbol you like. Do you understand right now? Repeat that password here. Write it again. And the next thing is invitation code. You can see use this invitation code to register. Although the invitation code is optional, but if you use this invitation code, you are going to get a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira, and they are going to reward me as well. But if you didn't use it, you will not get welcome bonus and they will not reward me. So I will say, please register with this invitation code. Do you understand right now? So after you put this invitation code, now go back to where it says verification code. You can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send. Immediately you tap on it, they are going to send code to your Gmail or your phone number, depend on which one you use. Do you understand right now? And after that, take that code and put it here. Before it expire, click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own account and show you how to use Carding app to sell your gift card and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Now let me log in and we'll continue, guys. I have logged in right now, guys. This is what you are going to do. You can see down here, you can see home, sell, transaction. Click on sell. You can see category. Click on category. Select the gift card you want to sell. Do you understand? Scroll down until you see the one you want to sell. Apple, for example, let's use Apple as an example. I'm going to click on it. Then you can see country. Click on country and select the country of your gift card. Scroll up to until you see your country. Then let's say US, for example. Let's say US, you click on it and it will select the balance of your gift card. Write the balance of your gift card. Let's say my gift card is $300. You understand? If it is $30, if it is $20, write it there. The next thing you can say type physical and code. Let me tell you, physical card is a gift card that someone buy at a physical store, shop. You understand? Code, anything code or e-code is a gift card that someone buy online. Maybe you buy it on a website or online on any website. That is code. So they will send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is code. So let's say physical, for example. Physical is a common gift card. So let's say physical. Now the next thing is code. You can see code now. You can see please enter the code. And it say optional, which means they are telling you to enter your gift card code, the code of your gift card. You enter it here and click on save. But if you have the image of your gift card, you don't need to enter that code. That is why it is optional. So you just have to click on this box and you can see upload from gallery. Click on upload from gallery and select the image of your gift card, then upload it. After that, click on save. So immediately you click on save, in few seconds it will say success, and you can see this balance. This balance, it will be available on your account like this. It will be available here. Do you understand? The next thing is to withdraw your money to your bank account. You can see this three line up here. After that Godwin, you can see that three line. Click on it and you can see it will show you this option. You can see wallet. Click on wallet. Then you can see add bank card. Click on add bank card. Then click on here to select your bank. Select the bank you are using. Order name, the name of your bank, enter your account number, then login password, the login of this account of your carding account. Put it here and click on submit, and your account will be added successfully, just like my own. You can see my OP. After that, click on withdraw and write the amount you want to withdraw out of your money. I mean, if you want to withdraw everything, you are the owner of your money. After you write the amount here, click on confirm to withdraw and your money will deliver to your bank account sharp. So this is how to use carding application to sell your gift card. Like this video, subscribe, and also share it for more people to see. If you have any question, write it in the comment section and I will answer you. Thank you.